We are the only species responsible for the mass sixth extinction to happen. How can we hurt Mother Earth, who flows through our veins and nourishes us every moment? Our consciousness that is filled with greed makes us exploit the natural resources of the planet unendingly. We live with a consciousness that sees ourselves as separate from nature. What does it mean not to exploit? Not to exploit is to take with a deep sense of respect. It is to make loving efforts to replenish that from which we have taken. Is this not meaning of love? If left undisturbed by greed and exploitation of humanity, at least now, the earth has the immeasurable intelligence and resources to restore itself and to rejuvenate itself. Earth can grow back its lost forests, bring back lost life forms, and evolve new ones.